What's up, guys? I just want to give a little context before I start this video, because during the tournament I don't think I really explained what was going on. I was so focused on trying to catch fish and trying to win this thing. As you saw in the last video for my pre-fishing, I could not find anything. During the whole week of pre-fishing I only caught 2 fish and I just didn't know what to do. So I went somewhere completely new. I've never fished it at all. I just ended up finding them. I ran into this little pocket of hyacinth mats and I started flipping the edge and I was starting to get bites consistently. And what I was using was this Gambler BB cricket with an 1.5 ounce tungsten weight and a 3/0 trocar flipping hook. The color on this is I think Blue Shadow. It's just a black and kind of like a little bit of a tint blue to it with blue flake on it. So on day one I just kind of winged it and I ran into this little pocket that all my fish were just kind of stacked up into. I was flipping a little bit, I skipped a whole line of it, and then I flipped the end of it. I think I got my limit in there. Then I started venturing around. Then I found some schooling fish, which kind of helped cull some of my smaller ones. And what I caught the schooling fish on was the Berkeley Chopo. Basically the same thing as the Whopper Plopper, but I was using the white one. Then on day 2, I went back to the same exact area I was catching the fish, flipping the hyacinth mats, and I fished that whole entire stretch that I skipped on day 1, and I caught 2 bigger fish, which helped a lot. I could not ask for a better weekend. It was insane. I'm still in shock because this is my first win in 10 years that I've been doing bass fishing tournaments, and I've came close a lot of times, a lot of second places, a lot of top 10s, but this is my very first win and I could not be more excited. It was just a really good weekend. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I just wanted to give that little bit of context before I get into the video so you guys know what I was using and what my thought process was going through there. I was just winging it, really. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, leave a like on the bottom, subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. We're only 100 away, so if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It'll help out the channel a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, the big one. Yes! That's a good one. Right in the top of her. Good look. 2 of them right there. Oh my god, bigger than yesterday. Yes! Yes! Come on! Look at this, guys. 20.5. Even bigger. It's over. Look at that. I'm on my job, player. You know I was born to grind. It's for my people standing up until they back hurt. It's for my people standing up to get the cash, sir. My minimum wage. All my cash clippers. That's a good one. I got stuff. Come here. Oh, yes! I knew this was right. I knew it. I couldn't get my net because it was stuck on my treble hooks back there. Oh, look where I hooked them. Right in the top of the mouth. Perfect, man. Thank you. Whew. As soon as it dropped in there, man. 15.5. Okay. Put on my net before I let them go. All right, that's good to me. 15.5. Let's catch some more, yeah. I need 4 more. Look at that. Yes. Goodbye. Oh, it's a big one. Oh my god. Oh. Come here. Yes! Woo! Oh, I can't believe it, dude. All right. Hook came out in the net. Cannot believe it. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Yes. Well, it looks like I'm coming back here tomorrow. Okay. 19 and a quarter. 19 and a quarter, baby. Yeah. Whew. Goodbye. Thank you. Whew. Dude, my heart, man. My heart is pounding. When I flipped it in there, it just stopped. I didn't feel a bite or anything. It just stopped. And I went to pick it up and it wouldn't move. And I went to pick it up again and it still wouldn't move. So I was like, I'm just going to set it. And I set it. Come rushing out of there. Wow. Oh boy. See these lily pad stems? They're sticking up out of the water. I think they're hanging around those. That's where I caught mine anyways. But I'm not gonna eliminate just random edges because they could still be around random points and stuff, so. Oh, that was a good bite. I thought for sure you had it. Oh, oh my God. You grabbed it at the last second. That's a good one. Oh. Don't come off. Come on, come on. Woohoo! Dang, he grabbed it at the very last second. Okay. 17. Yes, thank you. Goodbye. Whew. All right. $15. I didn't get the front camera on, but 15. Thank you. Goodbye. Got him. Got heavier. I caught two. I got two. Okay. Now how do I get rid of one? I know which one's the smallest one. Or here, look. Two of them right there. All right, let's see here. All right. I got the smallest one off, which I don't need you. Dude, chill out. Smallest one. 12 3/4. Bye. I just caught this one with 15 minutes left to go. 18 3/4. Thank you. Bye. Caught him on a Toon speed worm. I just randomly cast it at a lily pad patch and pulled it off because it's stuck on top for a little bit. I pulled it off and that bass just went BAM! Submissions end at 4:30, so but we have to stop fishing at 4. See where we're at after this submits. All right. Day 1 right now, we got 15 minutes left, or no, 13 minutes left. Day 1 right now so far, I'm in the lead with 85.75. And then we got Nicholas Beltran at 79.25. And then we got Jason Skapansky at 70.25. All right, Day 2, it's 7:40 right now. Lines in was at 6:30, but you really couldn't really see that much. I tried fishing a little bit, but I haven't got anything. So we're gonna try to recreate what we did yesterday, which is going to this certain spot to flip hyacinth pads and a little bit of lily pads that are mixed in. And then come back around here around like 11 or so, 12 o'clock, see if they're schooling up again. That's what time they were schooling up yesterday. So we'll see what happens. The bait's still in the area. I can still see the bait hitting the top of the water, so that's a good sign there. Yeah, we're just gonna give it our best and see what happens. It's a big one. It's a big one. Oh my God. It's a big one. Oh my God, it's bigger than yesterday's. Yes! Yes! Come on! Come on! The front GoPro is not working for some reason. Woo! Look at that! Look at that! Oh! Alright, now I got the front GoPro on. Look at this, guys. 20 and a half. That's gonna help a lot to keep me in the first place. Yes! Alright, let's put it back. Thank you, and goodbye. That's a decent one. All right. Take you. Fish number 4. Not a decent one. It's about 14. But hey, I'll take it for right now. Give me a limit. I already got my kicker. All right, cool. Now the GoPro's working. 13 and a half. No, you're not doing this right now. Okay. Chill out. All right. 13 and a half. Goodbye. Yesterday I skipped this whole stretch right here and went straight to that point. I didn't fish any of this stretch. And I'm fishing it today and it's paying off. Oh, I came off. Thought I had him. Felt pretty good. It's not a big one. Oh my God, dude. I think it's even bigger. Oh yeah, it's bigger. Don't do that. Come here. I don't got time for that. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Yes! Oh my God! God! It's over. It's over. Look at that. That's fish number 5, I think. Oh my God. 8:43, I got my limit. He isn't bigger. It's another 20. 20 and a quarter. Yeah, 20 and a quarter. Yeah, all right. Goodbye, jeez. Oh man. I thought he was gonna be bigger. I don't know, I'm just freaking out right now. 20 and a quarter, that's another, 2 20 and a quarters today. 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, 5. Now I gotta get rid of a 13, 2 13s and a 14. Dude, that bite, the bite that he had, Yeah, I swear that last one that I missed was probably another big one. But that bite right there felt like just another small one. Catching these big old pigs on this little tiny little grasshopper thing. I think the weight has a lot to do with it too. I gotta get rid of a 13. This guy's a 13 and a half, so why not? Just in case I don't catch anything else. Okay. 13 and a half. Thank you. Goodbye. I don't know. Yeah. Dang it. Seemed like a good one too. I don't know. You bit it right when I was pulling it up to get it out of there. Ah! That seemed like a good one too. Maybe all of them seem like a good one. Oh my god, dude. Just in case I don't catch anything else. Ah! Well, good thing I measured that 13 and a half. My hook sets are horrible right now. Oh yeah, that'll call. He needs to beat a 13 and a half. Okay. 14 and a quarter. It'll add up. Thank you. Goodbye. That's a good one. I think it'll get rid of another 13 and a half, which is good. He's hooked good too. Whoa, 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 whoa. He spined me pretty good. Okay. All right, 15 and a half. 15 and a half. Goodbye. Right back in his home. Down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. Edge, down low, up top.